So the cleaner has just attended, one of our cleaning teams, so Magdalena, and has completely cleared up the flat and did a deep clean. So let's turn the camera around and have a look. Okay, so first things first, painting's all done, all presentable. This is the bathroom. As you can see, everything has been cleared out. We've resealed the bathroom and got rid of all the mold that's been building up along here as well. That's all clean. So that's really, it's quite impressive. Bedroom, did a carpet clean in here as well. Touch up the walls, moved, decluttered the place. Got rid of all the stuff that was in here as well. So this was the property that we just took on management of. The previous tenants has left. We got the works done and then completely decluttered it. Got a deep cleaning, so all that has been removed. And we've got check-in tomorrow. So the new tenants are landing tomorrow evening. And I'm just here now to make sure that everything is ready for them. So everything's been decluttered. All the previous stuff has been removed. We've left some items for them, knives, cutlery, stuff like that, because they're just landing from another country here to start work at the local hospital. So they're not going to have a lot of stuff. In fact, I don't think they're going to have anything. So we've left some stuff for them. Hopefully they'll make use of it. It's just make the experience a bit more convenient for them. Let's see outside, and that's more presentable, isn't it? Yeah, so job well done. I've taken some new marketing pictures now because this is pretty much showroom condition. Taking new marketing pictures and new videos. We'll have that on file so that as and when our current tenant, the new tenant's moving in, gives notice, then we can start the marketing straight away. And what that does, it just saves waiting around for the tenant to leave and then do it. We can just start doing the marketing, taking the viewings, and then get the property back to showroom condition, and it will save the landlord client a lot of money because we have to speed things up. And hopefully as soon as the tenant moves out, we'll take a week to turn the flat around again, get it deep clean, and then the new tenant can move in. Otherwise it'll be current tenant moves out, do the works, start the viewing, start the marketing. That's going to add on at least an extra month. So potentially saving about £1,000 here. Anyway, all ready. My name's Nguyen. We're let to manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.